Hey guys, so today's video is about the things that you need to keep in your bag or the suitcase when you're coming to Europe for the first time. So this video is made for all the students who are coming from India especially to Europe. The other students who are coming from other countries to Europe can also follow this video. In this video, I will try to consolidate all the things that one should have in their bag. These are very small things, but it's easy to miss out on these things. So let's get straight into the list, and this is based on my experience in the last 5 years of living in Europe. So the first thing that I personally think should be kept in your suitcase or your bag are the documents. So these are the documents that you would rely on, and since you're traveling alone, you need to have these documents also photocopied, and make sure that you have the scanned copies of these documents and keep them very safe in your Google Drives. Also probably keep them in your pen drives, and try to have different photocopies of these and keep them in your backpack, also in your suitcases, so that you have like different copies of these documents. The next thing that one needs to pay attention to is money, right? Because you're traveling alone and you're independent, and you need to have enough amount of cash but not too much of cash. And then the next thing that you need in the money section is the Forex card. So make sure that you apply for a Forex card well before, and that you have enough money in your Forex card. The third thing, which is to order an international SIM card. If you cannot order it, then you can also buy it at the airport. This is very, very necessary, because then once you're at the foreign land, you need to actually contact your loved ones, especially your parents, and it's important to give them updates. And just in case, this is like a pro tip here, if you cannot get an international SIM card, worst case scenario, you do have free internet. So just make sure that you can get free internet if you just don't get an international SIM card. Then the fourth most important thing here, especially for the students who are shifting abroad, is to have a good laptop, because these days everything is digitalized, and one needs to remember that the things that we are working on, so the tools that we are working on, are well equipped. So in terms of the speed of your laptop, because you'll be competing with different people, and if you don't have right tools, especially for the reason that you're going abroad, you will be lagging behind. So make sure that you have a good laptop. Don't have to be an expensive one like a MacBook. The fifth most important thing according to me is this thing lying here. So this is a travel universal adapter, because then you don't have the same sockets here in Europe. These you can buy on Amazon, and I personally had like 3 to 4 of these. Please have spare ones. Alright, so then we move on to the sixth important thing. You do need those personal medications. So make sure that you get yourself checked before you come abroad, because here the health insurance is quite expensive, especially if you're shifting to very, very expensive countries like Switzerland, which I will cover later in my another video. Right now we stick to Germany and France. Make sure that you have prescriptions for all these personal medications. Make sure that you keep these in your handbag, the prescriptions, so that then you can show it to those immigration officers, or at the security check if they ask you. So you do need the prescription for sure. Medications that you carry, make sure that they have an expiry for at least 2 years. Now we will get down to the subcategory of these essentials. So one thing is bed sheet. You might think that, why do I need a bed sheet? But you do need a bed sheet when you shift to a dorm, especially because you won't be using the used mattresses directly. So you need a bed sheet as soon as you reach there. A travel kit will be essential. So just make sure to have like all your shampoos, conditioners, body wash, and a cream in a travel kit. And here I personally realized that the toothbrushes are very expensive. So just get a couple of those because you need to change them in frequently. And you need some good toothbrushes, and you don't want to compromise on that. You need to have some Indian attires. Don't have too many of those, but like maybe 1 or 2, because you want to attend some cultural events. And for those cultural events, it is nice if you can go in Indian attire, and then that reminds you of home, and that feels good also once in a while to wear something, which reminds you of home. Now, the most important thing of this video is coming, which has helped me so much. This is pressure cooker. So if you're an Indian and if you don't come abroad with a pressure cooker, that's an insult to you. Well, I'm just joking here, but a pressure cooker is so essential, because then you can make a couple of things in a pressure cooker. You can make rice, you can make khichdi, you can also cook vegetables. I'm right now not being sponsored by Prestige, but I have been using a Prestige pressure cooker since 5 years, and I cannot tell you how much helpful that pressure cooker has been to me. One thing that's more important here is that you need to remember is to have a flat base of a pressure cooker with you, because here most of the stuffs, they have induction coils. So you don't want to have like a round base, and that will be difficult for you. So make sure that you have a flat base of a pressure cooker. And I personally would prefer to have two pressure cookers, because in one I can make dal and in one I can make rice, because I really crave them when I'm here. And that's the most easy thing you would make, especially if you're living in a student dorm and you don't have much time to cook. Make sure that you have some food items kept with you, like Maggi packets. Especially the hostel students would know how much Maggi means to you, so make sure to have like good amount of Maggi packets. And also keep some rice with you, and keep some biscuits. You can have a little bit of Indian snack like matri and all, but don't have too many of those. You will also get them in the Indian shop. So just make sure that when you're traveling, what are the things that you would need in the first week, and don't keep too much of the luggage, because you'll be so tired within like the journey, and you don't want to like have too much of luggage also. The last thing that I want to mention here is that spectacles over here are very, very expensive. So make sure that you get your eyes checked. Even if you don't have spectacles, it's good that you get your eyes checked once in a while. And if you do have spectacles, then please have 2 pairs of spectacles. So that is all for today's video. If you have any questions, write them down below in the comment section. Looking forward to make more of such videos. So I would like to have your feedback on this. And see you very soon in the other videos. I will also make a video which will focus a bit more on what girls should carry, because we do have some more extra accessories that we want to carry with us, and we always overpack. Like I have been overpacking since 5 years whenever I come here, but each time I'm learning a lot, and these are the things that I would want to translate and put in my next video. So see you very soon. Bye for now.